Having long hair is a strong desire for every woman. But it's not possible due to contaminated water, harsh chemical shampoos, regular unhealthy diet, pollution and other reasons which affects on hair growth. It's not difficult to get long hair. Here are some simple home remedies to make your hair grow faster and naturally. Follow these easy suggestions. Trim your hair regularly, removing the split ends. Make sure to condition your hair by a conditioner to seal the moisture in hair follicles. Avoid applying conditioner to your scalp, which makes your scalp greasy. It is only meant for hair, not for the scalp. Do not rinse your hair with chlorine-contained water that leads to hair fall. Choose healthy diets such as fish, fruits, milk, leafy vegetables, which are fully loaded with an abundant source of essential proteins and lipids for hair growth. Avoid tensions which increase stress that leads to hair fall. Fall a deep sleep for at least 6 hours. Avoid combing wet hair, which leads to breakage of hair. Simple precautions: regular usage of harsh shampoos to your hair weakens the strength of the hair strands. Use proper conditioner after washing your hair, which helps to protect the outer layer of hair. You can apply natural oils to condition your hair instead of conditioners. Always use fresh regular tap water for washing your hair. Avoid tying your hair with the towel tightly, which causes damage to your hair strands. Natural oils for hair growth are coconut oil with garlic. Coconut is a natural moisturizer for hair which stimulates the growth of hair by nourishing the follicles with its essential amino acids to promote healthy long hair. Garlic is enriched with anti-inflammatory properties which prevent the scalp from infections and dandruff. The combination of these two ingredients helps you to get long silky hair without any harm. How to use: grab 10 to 15 garlic cloves and peel off the outer layer of them. Take a clean boiling bowl and add some coconut oil to it. Place the garlic cloves in the oil and boil them together for 4 to 5 minutes in a medium flame. Collect the warm oil using a strainer in a clean container. Let it become warm and apply it to your hair. Give a smooth massage to your hair, including the scalp, using your fingertips slowly. Leave it overnight and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Try this remedy twice in a week for long, thick hair. B. Olive oil along with curry leaves. Olive oil, which is referred as liquid gold, is extracted from olives, which possess high viscosity to penetrate into the hair follicles to nourish them. It is rich in vitamin A and E, which reduces dandruff and prevents split ends for healthy growth of hair. Curry leaves are enriched with vitamin B, beta-carotene and essential nutrients with antioxidants. It is an amazing leaf which saves the hair follicles from damage and avoids hair graying. How to use: grab 15 to 20 curry leaves and clean them without any impurities on them. Place some olive oil in a clean boiling bowl. Add curry leaves to the oil and boil them together for 5 minutes. Let it become warm. Strain the oil using a filter and apply the oil to your hair gently. Massage it for 5 minutes, covering the hair entirely. Rinse it off with clean water after 40 minutes. Use this remedy thrice in a week for the quick result. Home remedies. Home remedies stimulate the growth of your hair naturally without causing any damage to the hair due to the absence of harsh chemicals in them. The proper usage of home remedies gives you quick and better results. Usage of home ingredients is pretty simple to get beautiful silky long hair naturally. Let's see some home remedies for quick hair growth. Warm oil massage. Warm oil treatment is one of the most famous and vital remedies for natural hair growth. The application of warm oil to the scalp encourages the blood, and vitamin E in the oil nourishes the hair follicles, and its antioxidants, antibacterial properties remove dandruff from your hair. It also repairs dead cells in the scalp that helps to enhance the strength of hair roots. How to use: boil 4 tablespoons of castor oil or coconut oil for 3 to 4 minutes. Apply the warm oil on your scalp, covering entire hair, and massage for few minutes with your fingertips gently. Left it overnight and rinse it off with a mild shampoo on next morning. You can use this remedy twice in a week. Aloe vera is widely used in hair care products due to the presence of vital vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties in it. They prevent hair fall and removes dandruff from your scalp that helps to gain long and silky hair. Regular usage of aloe gel provides soft and shiny long hair naturally. How to use. Apply aloe vera gel to your hair and massage for at least 5 minutes. Rinse it off with fresh water after 30 minutes with a shampoo followed by conditioner. Use this remedy 3 times a week. Amla is an excellent fruit to promote healthy hair. It is highly rich in vitamin C and abundant proteins, minerals, antibacterial properties. These essential nutrients enhance the strength of the hair roots. Regular usage of amla prevents hair graying. How to use. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to fine amla powder. Apply that fine paste to your hair and left it overnight. Give a smooth massage for 4 to 5 minutes. Cover the hair with a shower cap. Rinse it off with warm water in the next morning. Regular usage of this remedy gives you long silky hair. Lemon and coconut oil. The mixture of these 2 ingredients makes your hair to grow faster. Citric acid, vitamin C, and antioxidants are abundant in lemon, which helps to remove dandruff from your scalp, and they open up clogged pores in the scalp. The vitamins and proteins in coconut oil penetrate into hair follicles quickly and seal the hair shaft. How to use. Apply a tablespoon of lemon juice to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix them well. Apply it to your hair and massage with your fingertips for 2 minutes. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo after 30 minutes. Use conditioner to seal the moisture in hair strands. Use this remedy thrice in a week. How to apply shampoo and conditioner. Don't apply the shampoo directly on your hair, which leads to hair fall due to its harsh chemical composition. Dilute the shampoo with little water and apply to your hair. Use hot water to rinse the hair instead of hot water. Avoid applying hair conditioner on the scalp, which results in the greasy scalp. Avoid using dryers, which makes your hair frizzy by removing moisture content. Let the conditioner sit on your hair for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't tie the hair tightly with the towel and avoid combing your wet hair, which leads to breakage.